You're watching DD India Live. I'm Ramesh Ramachandran. First up, updates from Bangladesh, where a total of 88 cases have been filed in incidents related to minorities this year, while 70 people were arrested in connection. In a regular press briefing, Chief Advisor's Press Secretary Shafiqul Alam mentioned about the recent attacks on minorities. He said that the tally of arrests may increase as new cases of violence erupted. He also reaffirmed that those guilty will be brought to justice. He added that there might be cases where some victims were members of the previous ruling dispensation. There have been a spate of incidents of violence against minorities as well as attacks on temples in Bangladesh in the last few weeks that triggered strong concerns from New Delhi.
Violence হয়েছে মাইনরিটিকে টার্গেট করে তো সেই বিষয়ে আমরা একটা পুলিশের থেকে আমরা একটা প্রতিবেদন পেয়েছি তারা বলছে যে মোট 70 জন সোফার অ্যারেস্টেড হয়েছে আর 88টা কেস